Good morning, everyone. This morning I did my Dollar General coupon run. I did pretty well. Everything ended up being about $1.96 a piece. I think I got 11 items, one filler item, which was the Tylenol, just so that I could reach my $25. One of my tricks is I always clip every single coupon available in the app before I go anywhere. I just want to make sure that I maximize my savings. Sometimes there's glitches and sometimes I forget to clip a coupon, but this way I make sure that I am getting everything covered as far as my discounts go. I did get a $5 off for next weekend as well, and another $5 off coupon because I spent so much in P&G products, so I can use that next week also. So make sure also, one thing I found out today, make sure if you are getting a receipt, save it, because the $5 off of 25 was not available in my app today for some reason. It was there, then it disappeared. So make sure you're saving that so that you are able to use it next week. Happy couponing!